In this part, we will learn about playgrounds, which is a built-in feature in Xcode. Playground is an interactive development environment for developers. You write Swift code and see the result of your code in real time. Playgrounds in Xcode are a great way to learn and experiment Swift programming. Next, we will learn how to get started with playgrounds in Xcode. Let's open Xcode. We can see the Welcome to Xcode window. Now we will create our first playground. From Xcode's file menu, select New and then Playground. You will then be prompted to select a template for your playground. Choose blank under the iOS section. Click Next to continue. Xcode will ask you to name your playground. Let's call it my first playground. Finally, select a convenient directory to save the playground and click Create. We can see Xcode opens the playground interface. We will have a quick look at this interface. The left pane of the screen is the project navigator. The navigator pane shows the files of the playground project. The Show Hide button at the top left corner lets you show or hide the left pane. You can use this button to hide the pane if you feel you need more screen for coding. The right pane is hidden here. Let's use Show Hide button at the top right to make the right pane visible. It's the inspector's pane. Here you can change file path and tweak other playground settings. The center pane is the editor area. You write your Swift code in this area. You can run your code by hitting the play button. As soon as you hit the play button, Playground will run the code up to the line of the play button and display the results of executing code on the right side. As you can see, the playground we created earlier has 2 lines of code written for us. Let's tap the play button. We can see the result appears immediately on the right. We will learn about what these 2 lines of code does later. At the bottom right of the window, there is another Show Hide button. Let's tap that button, which will show the console or debug area. The output of your code will appear here. Before we wrap up this video, we will see one other thing. There are 2 options to run Playground, manually by pressing the play button and automatically without pressing any button. At the bottom left corner of editor area, you can see another play button. Long click on that button. You will see 2 options, automatically run and manually run. Selecting automatically run option will run the playground file automatically as soon as you make any change to the code in editor. For this course, we will run our code manually. So make sure you select manually run option here. Now we are ready to write our first lines of Swift code. We will do that in the next part. Thank you.